Hello and welcome to the WallMantra show, where you can get all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a professional interior designer. I am your host Aryan. Today I am going to tell you how to create a bohemian theme in your interior. Bohemian interiors are full of life, colors and interesting chic decors. Let's start with the walls. Tip number 1. The wall colors. Make sure you choose neutral colors like white, grey and beige. Tip number 2. The colors. Choose paintings, plates or other wall pieces with bold and hot colors. Tip number 3. The elements. Materials like macrame, jute or other earthy and natural materials are the heart of Bohemian decor. Include as many indoor plants as you want to create an authentic environment. So, this was all about how to decorate your walls in Bohemian style. Tune in to the next episode tomorrow to know about Bohemian furnishing. Bye-bye.